If you replace a set of aftermarket wheels and tires with the wrong offset, or a set of larger calipers with insufficient wheel clearance, wheel spacers are the easiest and most effective way to help solve these problems. And if you want to get your wheels flush to the fender with stock wheels, spacers can also achieve this effect. Usually, the thickness required for the rear wheels will be thicker than the front wheels. Proper Tesla Model X wheel spacers can always fit your SUV without hurting ride quality. Good quality wheel spacers and correct fitment are the highest priority to ensure driving safety.
By providing a more even distribution of weight across the wheel assembly, half-century wheel spacers can reduce the stress placed on individual components, such as the wheel bearings and suspension. This can increase the durability of components and reduce the risk of accidents and breakdowns. For 1-inch wheel spacers are exactly safe, especially since they are half-century wheel spacers. At their thickness, you start to notice subtle changes in the vehicle's appearance and handling. Good half-century wheel spacers are designed for the racetrack that need specific load requirements. Bonus Forge active cooling wheel spacers come with multi-stage half-century rings. The half-century metal ring is machined to be multi-layers, and the beavers perfectly fit the corresponding hub spacers. This design is effective in eliminating the vibration of wheels.
Bonus wheel spacers are crafted from 7075 T6 and 6061 T6 aluminum alloy, ensuring exceptional strength, corrosion resistance, and lightweight properties. This high-grade material is used in aerospace and motorsports applications, making it perfect for high-performance vehicles. Bonus introduces a global patent active cooling design, featuring unique grooves on the back of the spacer. These grooves allow external cold airflow continuously inside the spacer when rotating, reducing heat buildup and enhancing brake cooling performance. Bonus wheel spacers undergo over 73 SGS and tooth testing, ensuring they meet the highest industry standards with precise manufacturing tolerance and rigorous quality control. These spacers offer compromising safety and reliability. Whether you are aiming for a wider stance, better handling, or improved brake clearance, Bonus wheel spacers provide a perfect solution.
That's all for today's video. If you want to get with bonus wheel spacers, please see the link below. See you in the next video. Bye bye!